Gold Getter here, just doing some gold panning. Just heads up, I'm single, looking for a girlfriend. I'm straight, and I must like gold panning, hiking, traveling, venturing. Gold panning for sure. I think I said that already, I'm not too sure. But yeah, if you're wanting to travel and do a lot of camping and hiking, I'm your man. And must be okay with kids. Yeah, let's see if I got any gold, guys and girls. Oh, got a couple flakes here. Oh, that one right there. And then I gotta go slow. Oh, there was gold almost going out of the sides. Okay, let's see. Oh, look at all that gold. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, 8. There could probably be more, but bam.